Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively class 10 step by step. Start by creating a weekly plan that groups related topics and assigns clear goals for each study block. Use a simple timetable with breaks and track completion daily. Keep notes short, use headings, and mark formulas for quick review. Revisit tough chapters often and adjust the plan based on progress to stay on track. In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively class 10 step by step. After reading a section, teach the idea aloud or write a brief summary in your own words, then test understanding with quick practice questions. Draw labeled diagrams and mind maps to connect ideas visually. Regularly convert summaries into flashcards for spaced review and use mistakes from practice to focus your next sessions and strengthen weak areas. In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively class 10 step by step. Quick recommendation: if you need better study snacks, I love these leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy and mess-free. If you found these tips useful, subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then grab a snack, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively class 10 step by step. Schedule regular timed mock tests using past papers to simulate exam pressure and improve speed. After each test, categorize mistakes as concept, calculation, or careless error and plan targeted practice. Focus on multi-step problems and experiment-based questions to link theory with application. Keep a progress log to celebrate improvements and adapt study priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.